Hi guys, so today I will learn how to create this share button animation. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, that will help me a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day. I want to start with explain how this animation work and what we need to make this animation. So first thing, we make the first rectangle smaller. After that, the icons will appear one by one. To make this animation, so we need to use indices. We can use indices inside the for each. For example, we have our array dot indices. Why we need it? Because indices will give us for each icons a number. For example, we have here 0, 1, 2, and we can use these numbers to make our animation. All I have here to state, step 1, step 2, and array of icons. I have here my icons, as you see. So let's start with displaying the icons. I need the haystack image will be X, resize the plum and fill. The size will be frame 30 by 30. And I want to clip inside circle. You can see it now because it's dark, so make it white. Okay, let's repeat this. Okay, we have now an image. We can inside the for each. And the icons array dot indices, and we need an ID. Make it solve. Let's make this index with the icons array and index. We have the three icons. I will make this dark because I want to give it white background. Dot background white. And give it a padding 10. I want to clip it inside rectangle by 40. I want to maybe more padding from the horizontal. So now let's start making the animation. We'll start with the scale effect. Step 1 is if the step 1 is true, will be 1, else will be 0. You see nothing. So now it's all 0. And we add an animation. Will be spring. Duration will be 0.5. And we need to add a delay between the icons. Tab of tuple. The value will be index multiplied by 0.3. So the index is the icons. Let's say we are on the third one, will be 2 multiply 0.3, and this one will be 1. and this one will be 0, so on. And the value will be step 1. It should be step 2. Sorry. So let's test this animation. I'll use on appear. Step 2 with octagon. As you see, we have now the animation we want. We can make it slower if you want. I think 0.3 is good. Now I want to make this icon as a button so we can use it. I want each icon have a different action. So for this I will create a function. I will name it icon action. I will take an argument, an icon, be icon name. Select icon name. And we switch inside the icon name. For example, case 1, if is a Facebook, will be print Facebook. And for other icons too, the default will print nothing, or nothing to do. We'll add the action icon action, and we take the name of the icon, be icons index. So let's run this app. We see the action. Let's tap on X, GitHub, Facebook. Now I want to add the blue rectangle. We use Z stack. After this, we use also the Z stack because I want a text on top of it. Also 40. The frame will be if step 1 is it true, will be 0, else will be 200, and the height will be foreground style dot p. I have here the color, and res on top gesture with animation step 1 dot equal true. So let's take this, as you see, it again. Okay, I wanna add some offset here, be -5, -2. think 3 is good, 4 is good. Okay, now I want, after I tap on this button, the step 2 will be true. So for this, I will use delay. After 0.3 seconds, I want step 2 to. So let's remove this. Let's test it again. Okay. Should be here. So now, nice. I want just add the text. Dot bold. Okay, as you see, this text still there, so I will add the opacity if the step 2 true. Will be 0, else will be 1. Okay. Nice. If you have any question or something you don't understand, feel free to ask me and I'll be happy to help. Thank you and have a nice day.